Now, the third reason code might not have been covered is that our test suite might simply just be inadequate. And if the test suite's inadequate, we have to decide what to do about it. So one option, of course, is to improve the test suite so that the code gets covered. The other option is not to worry about it. And of course, since achieving good coverage can be difficult, it could easily be the case that we'll just decide to ship our software without achieving 100% code coverage. And there's nothing inherently wrong with that, because coverage testing, like all forms of testing, is basically just a cost-benefit trade-off. The question we have to ask is, are we getting enough value out of doing the testing to offset the costs of doing the testing? And so if we do ship software with uncovered code, what we basically have to do is admit to ourselves that we're perfectly okay with the fact that the customers who are on the receiving end of the software might be the first people who ever actually run it.